Hey everyone, okay, so today we are going to be talking about eye creams and eye serums and the very best of the best. So let's make a start. So the first one is by Aurelia, lovely company. This is Aurelia and this is the Brightening Eye Serum with probiotics, arnica and shea butter. Okay, so as many of you will know who've watched me for any length of time will know that Aurelia make probably one of the best cleansers ever, the Miracle Cleanser. It is an amazing product, gives you baby soft skin, but they also do the Probiotic concentrate, which gives luminosity to the skin like never before, but it deals with pigmentation. And again, I know I've spoken about it over and over again, but they're just worth mentioning because these are products that I still currently use and will continue to use because they're results driven. And also it's worth mentioning that this video has kindly been sponsored by Aurelia, so thank you very much. So let's talk about their eye serum. Now this is an eye serum that actually doesn't just go under the eye, it can go around the entire eye contour, which is great because a lot of eye creams and eye serums can only be applied underneath. This can go all the way around, dealing with multiple issues that you may have with your skin. Now this serum reduces obviously fine lines underneath the eyes, but also reduces inflammation. And that's really important because inflammation, as you would expect, is very irritating to the skin. And because the skin around the eyes is much thinner than other areas of the face, it can show aging faster in that area. So by helping the skin to repair itself and be kind to your skin goes a long way. And this also has a very, very brightening effect on the eye. And I'm going to talk about puffiness in a second because that's something dear to me. But this has a brightening effect. So if you have darkness underneath the eyes, or if you have darkness that goes around the entire eye contour area, this product can really help. The arnica in this product can make a visibly dramatic difference in the appearance of that darkness, if that makes sense, because it can really brighten up those recessed areas, but around the entire surface, the eye contour area, which is, for me, I think quite incredible. Now, when I mentioned puffiness, now this is something that I personally deal with, and especially as I've gotten older and as I've gained also some weight back, I noticed that in the mornings you can wake up, or I can wake up, and the eye area, particularly underneath, but sometimes also into the crease, can be a bit puffy. This product really, really does help with that problem. It can really help to reduce and minimize the puffiness under and over the eye, in that eye contour area. And the first thing, about 2 days into using this, I noticed that the under eye area looked way less puffy in the morning. And we all know what it's like, especially if you sleep funny like I do, sort of all hunched up and your face is sort of contorted, your under eye area can be a bit puffy sometimes. At least that's how I sleep. And it makes a big difference to there. And I think by applying it all around the eye contour area, I noticed, personally speaking, way less puffiness in the morning, to the point where I look perfectly presentable first thing in the morning, which is quite hard to believe. But that's what I personally get from this product. While I don't have incredible darkness under the eyes, there is a visible brightening effect. But for me, the reduction of puffiness is quite significant. So this is a keeper. And you can apply this twice a day, morning and night. Personally speaking, for me, I apply it twice daily just because I like that depuffing effect that this product has, but also because there's some emollients to this with the shea butter. It glides on smoothly so that it fills in any kind of crepiness that you may have underneath the eye, just smooths and goes on, glides on very, very smoothly, and just feels incredibly nice. And it's hard to explain. I'm just going to explain that puffiness again. It's hard to explain, but the way that it depuffs is spot on. Okay, so next up, Paula's Choice. This is the Clinical Ceramide-Enriched Eye Firming Cream. Has quite a mouthful. Very, very heavy, rich, thick under eye cream. May or may not be your preference, but if you find your eyes very, very dry underneath the eye, this eye product can be pretty good underneath the eye area. It certainly will reduce any dryness underneath the eye area, and does give the skin a nice feel to it, absolutely. Now, this is a nice one. This is called Prevage. Prevage. I don't even know if I've said that right. By Elizabeth Arden, with an SPF of 15. Even comes with a little metal spoon, which of course I'd never use, but that's neither here nor there. Great product, under eye cream, works very, very well. Bit on the pricey side, but it's still a really, really nice product. So for those of you who like to wear eye patches as products, and there are some of you that do, then it's Skin Glow London. This is the Glow Mask Eye Mask. There's quite a mouthful of some of these brands, I'm telling you. You pop them underneath the eyes, they have a brightening effect, there's vitamin C in them, very, very brightening, very, very pretty. I don't know, I go through phases of masks where I'm like, oh, I think this is great, and then I never use it for years, but it's still a nice product. So another really, really nice one. This is the Eye Repair Cream. Now this product is, again, more on the emollient side. So we're not talking so much results driven as with Aurelia, but in terms of adding emolliency underneath the eyes, helping things to just feel a little bit better, this is a perfectly fine and really nice option. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Under Eye Cream, Magic Eye Rescue. I'm sorry about that. Again, not so much result driven, but more emolliency based. And I think eye creams tend to fall into two categories, where you've got the results based spectrum of things, which is dealing with darkness or puffiness or under eye discoloration, wrinkles. And then you have the emollients camp, which is really to hydrate the eye area. And Charlotte Tilbury's one definitely falls into that category. It is incredibly hydrating underneath the eyes, but not so much results driven as some other brands are. Okay, so next up is La Roche-Posay. I hope I said that right. This one contains retinol and can be used underneath the eye area, but not the entire eye contour area. So you're just going underneath the eyes. Because it has retinol in, there's that kind of anti-aging category to it. But again, underneath the eyes, you can't go too close up to the lash line with this product for obvious reasons, but it's still a really, really nice product. And also from the same company is this beauty here. And again, this really does fall more into the emolliency side of it, but it's still a really nice product, goes on smooth. And one thing I think that's worth mentioning with all of the products featured here is that they all allow makeup to go on smoothly over it. So if you're using this in the daytime, you are definitely able to have the makeup glide on much, much smoother than it would without, if that makes sense, because you've got that extra slip to the skin. There you go, that is my favorites of eye creams. And as you saw on the screen, but worth mentioning, nice, gorgeous code. There it is, look at that code. It's not even swirling around, it's just on the screen, so don't know why I'm doing that. So you get an absolutely delicious discount on this product, and take my word for it, it really does make a big difference, big difference to the eye area, and is certainly one that I'm going to be continuing to use. But there you go, that is my delicious favorites. Thank you very much to Aurelia for sponsoring this video. I really do truly appreciate it. Thank you for your support. I look forward to hearing all your comments, links, discount, all down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.